Cascada includes great crash security scores, yet it needs programmed crisis braking. The Buick Cascada has performed well in the crash tests led up until this point, however its absence of security frameworks sells out those great scores. We give the Cascada a point better than expected for a 5-star by and large score by government analyzers, yet take it back for its missing programmed crisis braking. The 2019 Cascada wins a 5 on our scale. Government analyzers gave the Cascada its best appraising by and large, yet noted 4-star scores for front and rollover crash assurance. Vids has a Euro TMT appraised the Cascada Euro TMS crashworthiness at all. The Cascada is furnished with 6 airbags for every belted traveler, including side effect airbags for race-situate riders. Mid-level Cascadas and higher include forward crash alerts, however no programmed crisis braking. The last is an astonishment considering the Cascada Euro TMS cost and expanding reception of the crucial well-being innovation among different automakers. The Euro TMS likely because of the Cascada Euro TMS age, it was planned before program braking wound up far-reaching.